Life flows like a river, endless, powerful, and ever-moving.
But sometimes we feel unable to flow with it, stuck, heavy, lost.
This is Arif, a simple boatman. But his heart was burdened with unseen weights.
No matter how hard I row, life drags me back.
One day, a wise traveler came upon him and saw the sorrow in his eyes. "Why do you sit so heavy-hearted? The river flows free, yet you seem already drowned."
Destiny is cruel. I row and row, but nothing changes. My life feels cursed.
The traveler said nothing. Instead, he picked up a stone.
Carry this stone to your boat. Do not drop it.
At first, it seemed a small task, but the weight grew with each step. The burden of stone pressed on him, slowing him down, making the path harder.
Why must I carry this? It only makes my journey harder. And yet, isn't this what you do every day? Carrying stones of regret, fear, and worry?
Arif realized his heart had been burdened long before his arms were. The moment he let go, a wave of relief washed over him.
His shoulders lifted. His steps grew lighter. His mind clearer. The traveler knew.
Nice.
The lesson had been learned.
Some burdens are not meant to be carried. They only keep us from reaching the boat.
With the stone gone, his path felt simple, his task possible. But when he looked back, the wise traveler had gone.
Only the stone remained, a silent reminder of his old burdens.
For the first time in many days, Arif felt ready to row again.
The river seemed softer, the current kinder, as if the world itself had changed.
But it wasn't the river that had changed. It was the weight in his heart.
When we release what we do not need, life flows freely once more.
Worry, regret, fear, these are stones we choose to carry.
But when we set them down, we discover the freedom of moving forward.
The river reminds us, the flow of life continues, with or without our burdens. It is we who must decide to let go and rise above. For beyond the weight lies freedom, and beyond the fear lies peace.
Leave behind the stones that were never yours to carry.
Choose instead to carry hope, patience, and trust in the journey. Every day is a chance to release a burden and step closer to freedom. Remember, the weight you put down today may be the very thing that sets you free.
The river flows on, waiting for you to join it.
Subscribe to my channel!